Unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual bevel Axial Glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new Axial Glide miter saw is more than a new way to crosscut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented Axial Glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the saw fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the Axial Glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The Glide Saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the Axial Glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new Glide Saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The Glide Saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The Axial Glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts, and a push-button miter
name's Chris Marsden. I am the owner of Marsden Building and Remodeling. We are primarily residential remodelers. Do a little bit of new construction and some light commercial work. I bought my Capex after a long deliberation process. I've been kind of paying attention to the saw ever since it came out. I was really excited to see it, but the price was a difficult pill to swallow. Eventually we had a couple projects in a row. We needed to work in a confined space and keep things clean, and actually paying attention to the money that I was paying for cleanup, I went ahead and made the purchase. We've gone through probably 6 to 8 other miter saws. Far and away the biggest advantage, the best benefit of the Capex is the dust collection. I haven't seen anything like it on any other saw, despite whatever efforts we've made to rig something up or to try this accessory product. Nothing has come close. Local bakery asked us to change the facade of the display units that they have and their counter space into more of a rustic feel. They're only closed on Mondays, so we'd have basically Sunday evening we'd go in and we'd have Monday to work, and then we'd have to be out of there by, they start working at 5 o'clock on Tuesday morning. So we'd have to be in and out, and we don't have a chance to create a work area really. We have to keep things clean. They have to be able to open right away. So, everybody appreciated how clean we were able to work and how quickly we were able to get in and out. I'm always getting asked by my coworkers, can I leave my stuff set up here? Because they just don't want to go through the hassle of taking their whole system down into the truck and setting it up next day. I can be out of the back of my truck and set up in a matter of minutes, pretty much anywhere. I've been using Festool products probably for a little over 10 years now. The obvious craftsmanship, attention to detail, and the engineering that went in to the first tools that I bought, and it carries into the Capex as well.
Welcome to Rockwell on Amazon.
Here's a saw that has speed as its middle name. The Versacut by Rockwell lets you change blades one-handed.
I like the interchangeable blades the most. I like that I can take and cut any type of material and just change out the saw blade in a matter of seconds.
That means you can rip through different materials lickety-split. Its 4 amps are powerful, with a speed of 3,500 RPMs, but it doesn't weigh a lot, making it the one to reach for when you are on the move.
The Versacut is much more lightweight than the circular saw. It weighs about 4 pounds. It's a lot easier to maneuver around the house.
The base plate provides a clear view of where the blade enters the work, making tricky cuts much easier to see. Changing the depth of a cut is right on the side. For around $130, the saw includes 3 blades, a vacuum adapter, and a storage bag. And precision.
I like the laser beam. I like the fact that if you draw a line and it's not very clear, you have the laser beam there to back you up, and it makes a nice smooth cut.
Versacut's laser guide helps you get the right cut every time.
This is Hitachi's 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw with laser marker, model C12 RSH2. Whether it's in the workshop or out on the job site, this powerful cutting machine combines strength and accuracy for even the most complicated miter and bevel cuts. The compact slide system allows the saw head to slide along fixed rails, eliminating the need for rear clearance. That's a big deal when you are working in tight areas or on a shallow bench. If it's accuracy you're looking for, the adjustable laser never misses its mark. You can easily set it to the left, right, or center of the blade. It's never been easier to get a precise cut the first time. The powerful 15-amp motor cuts through the toughest lumber with ease. These large sliding fences raise to 5 1/8 inches, which means you can finally cut up to 7.5-inch crown molding nested up against the fences. You get a 0 to 57 degree miter angle to the right, and a 0 to 45 degree angle to the left. At the same time, you also get a 0 to 45 degree bevel angle range to the right and left, allowing users to quickly and easily flip the saw blade while leaving the material in place. Positive stops and indications on the miter and bevel scale give you easy to read measurements and quick settings. Carbon brush access allows the user to easily inspect and replace the brushes as needed to greatly prolong tool life. A vertical handle with soft, vibration-reducing elastomer grip adds comfort and control. The included 60-tooth, 12-inch blade produces fine finish cuts. You also get a dust bag, vise assembly, 17mm box wrench, and Hitachi's 5-year warranty for peace of mind. The Hitachi 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw is the perfect tool for making compound miter and bevel cuts with confidence.